Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with this dripping technique, acrylic pouring technique with the straw that I will pour paints into this cup, and it creates kind of smaller patterns, and I really like it, but I decided to do just a simple color palette. I will add some black and some gold and some white and some Grenache. This is this little Piggy Pigments Grenache. Love this color. And black again. Gold. And some white. Grenache. As I said, I'm going for kind of a minimalistic look today. I don't know how this will work. We will see. You know how I say a lot of the times on my channel, if you don't try, you don't know. Maybe I should do a merge with that quote. Okay, so my cup is filled with paint, and I will pour a little black here because I want to start here and kind of travel to those two sides. So let's put the tape off. Try not to spill everything. Okie doke, so let's start. Colors are gorgeous, if I may say so. I know that you can't see on camera because of the shimmer, but trust me. I was afraid while I was pouring it that it will not show as much as it did, and I love it. Just have to check the corners. Oh my god. Oh, I love this. Really do. Try to walk to tear this off a little bit and don't interrupt the other part. So much better, I think. Now I will walk again down. And as I said, I want just a little bit of this part off too. Yeah, I like it much more now. Back to the middle. Yeah, I'm glad that I did that. Maybe some of you will be disappointed, but I think that composition is much better now. So let's check this shimmer. Those gold and Grenache feathers or fingerlings or whatever they are just amazing. And I like those that are rounded with white, and they're this Grenache mixed with black for the dark background. Wow, I love this. I really do. Okay, this is one of those paintings that I can't wait to see it dry because of all this shimmer. So stay tuned for the dried results. So here is a close-up of the dried result. Oh my god, this one is really something special. In some, if you look at it from one angle, it's just almost without any color, but because of that Grenache and gold. So here Grenache mixed with some gold creates some gorgeous stuff. Here is Grenache mixed with black. I don't know, I just love it. And I have one thing that I can show you, that this is really good example why I like to do just straight pours or jiggles when I do that, because here where I have here I was doing rings and I'm more fan of these patterns, but here kind of just goes with this painting. So it's really, really weird one, but I love weird. And all these gorgeous details. Where is the shimmer? Here, maybe. See these gold and white and black lines. Just gorgeous one, but this one is really hard to photograph in all its beauty. Yeah, but I'm happy with it, definitely. Really fun technique, so relaxing, because you basically do this quite a long time because paint goes slow through the straw, but I love it. Yeah, so this will be it for today. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. Engaging is always good. Subscribe if you didn't yet. Do all the good things to help me grow. Have a nice day and see you on the next one. Bye!